Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're delving deep into the amazing world of avocados to uncover what happens to your body when you commit to eating one avocado a day for a full 30 days. Brace yourself for a journey of discovery as we explore the myriad health benefits and transformations that can occur. Let's dive right in and uncover the wonders of this creamy, nutrient-packed fruit. Avocados, scientifically known as Persea americana, have been celebrated for centuries for their incredible nutritional value and health-boosting properties. Native to Central America and Mexico, avocados are not only delicious but also rich in essential nutrients like healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Let's start with heart health, a crucial aspect of overall well-being. Incorporating an avocado into your daily diet can work wonders for your cardiovascular system. The high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, in avocados has been linked to lowering LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, while simultaneously increasing HDL cholesterol levels, the good cholesterol. This dual action helps reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications, promoting a healthier heart and circulatory system overall. Moving on to weight management, an area of concern for many individuals striving for optimal health. Despite their creamy texture and rich taste, avocados can actually support weight loss or maintenance goals. How? It's all thanks to their unique nutritional profile. Avocados are relatively low in carbohydrates but high in fiber, which promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. By including avocados in your daily meals, you may find yourself naturally eating fewer calories throughout the day, aiding in weight management efforts. Now, let's talk about skin health, an external reflection of internal well-being. Avocados are packed with powerful antioxidants such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and supporting collagen production in the skin. The result? Healthier, more radiant skin that glows from within. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados also offer notable advantages for digestive health. The fiber content in avocados supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. This promotes overall gut health, enhances nutrient absorption, and supports a balanced microbiome, contributing to improved overall well-being. Let's dive deeper into the impressive nutrient profile of avocados. They are rich in potassium, magnesium, folate, and vitamin K, among other essential nutrients. Potassium and magnesium play vital roles in maintaining healthy nerve function, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is crucial for cell division and DNA synthesis, making it especially important during periods of growth and development. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, contributing to strong and healthy bones over time. Speaking of energy, avocados provide a sustained source of energy throughout the day, thanks to their healthy fats and nutrient content. Incorporating avocados into your meals can help you feel more alert, focused, and energized, supporting productivity and overall well-being. Let's not forget about blood sugar management, a key concern for many individuals, especially those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Despite their creamy texture, avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a minimal spike in blood sugar levels when consumed. This makes them a smart choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and supporting overall metabolic health. Furthermore, avocados play a role in supporting immune function and overall wellness. The combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats in avocados works synergistically to strengthen the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. By nourishing your body with these essential nutrients, you can promote resilience and vitality from the inside out. And let's not forget the impact on mood and brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in avocados are crucial for brain function, mood regulation, and cognitive performance. By including avocados in your diet, you can support mental clarity, focus, and emotional well-being, enhancing your overall quality of life. After exploring the incredible benefits of incorporating an avocado a day into your diet for 30 days, It's clear that this humble fruit packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting overall health and wellness. From heart health and weight management to glowing skin, digestive support, and energy enhancement, avocados offer a wide range of advantages that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Remember to enjoy avocados as part of a balanced diet, alongside other nutrient-rich foods, for optimal health benefits. Stay tuned to Health Spiffy for more enlightening insights and tips on living your healthiest, happiest life.